When I get a product that exceeds my expectations, I like to do a video and tell people about it. This is a battery tender. It's basically a car charger battery maintainer. This is a 4.5 amp version. I bought it about a year ago, so I figured it's time to do a 1-year review. I bought 2 of these last year to keep my boat batteries charged and my lawnmower batteries charged, and they worked all winter long with no issues. This is a set it and forget it battery charger. You basically connect your positive and negative leads to your battery, you plug it in, it automatically selects, it automatically starts charging, and it will maintain your batteries 6 months or a year, however long you need. If you have a completely dead car battery, this is going to take you about 3 hours. So this isn't a real fast charger. It's basically a battery maintainer or battery top off. I use it a lot for if I take my boat out, maybe 5-6 hours during the day. I'm using my trolling motor. I'll plug the battery tender on, put it on my trolling motor battery, and it's going to top it off and charge it up in about an hour. And it works perfect for that. I'm going to put it on a battery here in a second just to show you what all the lights look like when it's charging and operational. So basically you're going to plug it in, connect your leads, and it's going to automatically select. You can also manually select. You do have the buttons here to select if for some reason it doesn't do it automatically or if you need to change it. 12 volt does 6 volt, AGM, flooded, and lithium batteries. The icons will light up with whatever it senses. You got a light over here at what it's doing, and then you have the light down here when it turns 80%, and then once when it's fully charged. So one nice thing about this battery tender, if you want to know if you're getting close to being charged, if you see this green light flashing, that means that you're about 90% charged and it's almost done. Now as you can see, the green indicator is solid green, which indicates the battery is fully charged. You don't even really need directions with this charger. On the back of it tells you what the indicator light means. So the amber light flashing means it's AC powered applied, battery not connected properly. If you have a solid amber light, it means your battery is charging. Flashing green light means battery is greater than 80% charged. And solid green light means the battery is charged is complete. Market for a battery charger, one that's very small, compact, lightweight, and portable. This is going to be the charger you want. Maybe you have a garage out back that you just want to keep your lawnmower batteries or boat batteries charged up like I do. You can buy a couple of these and it's not going to break the bank. I'll put a link in the description below how to buy these off Amazon. Have it show up at your doorstep in 1 to 3 days. You can get the 3 amp, 4 amp, 5 amp. There's all different versions. Me specifically, I would maybe go to a 5 amp version just to get a little bit faster charge. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.